Welcome back everyone, this is Chad with Iraq Veteran 8888 and Argos Ordnance. Today I'm at the range and I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the rifle speed gas control that comes standard on our R-Series A115 rifles. These are the flagship offerings from Argos right now. These are our guns. They're built right here in Locust Grove, Georgia to exacting and borderline obsessive quality standards. Okay, so these feature high quality components from B5 Systems, Springco, Geisley, Radian. We've got awesome high performance bolt carrier groups that are DLC coated, MPI tested, excellent quality nitrided barrels from Ballistic Advantage, cross machine rails, forward controls, designs, muzzle devices, and the rifle speed is really the heart of this particular system. So if you're not familiar, okay, the rifle speed block consists of 5 major components, including the gas block itself. It's a very simple and robust arrangement that requires no tools for fine tuning and adjustment. We do offer the rifle speed gas controls over on the Argos website, as well as straight gas tubes that are required for the system. Also will install and hard pin if you're local or you want to ship your upper end to me. So we do offer that extra service as well. Now, one word of note about the rifle speed block: the standard plunger that is included with the 14.5-inch rigs is the standard 917. All right, that's kind of the baseline length plunger, and it provides the widest range of use with a variety of different full power 5.56 and 223 ammunition. All right, I found that if you really want to run like the low power budget 223, like some of the Wolf offerings or even some of the like Federal American Eagle, you can run the yellow Springco, which is a reduced power spring, and it runs just fine. All right, but this rig is set up to run full power ammunition out of the gate. All right, so we've got M855 from Triple G, and we're going to start this process to show you how easy this is to fine tune without tools. All right, if you've ever been to the range with an adjustable gas block that has a standard set screw mechanism, you know, you lose your adjustment key, right, your Allen key in the grass or something, and you're frustrated, you can't find it, and you know, you got to reach up under your rail and do all this stuff. If you're trying to run a suppressor on it and you need to adjust it, you got to pull the suppressor off typically and fish that tool up in there. With the rifle speed block, there is none of that. You reach up and you turn it with your fingers, okay? To show you how easy this is. All right, 1 round of ammunition, and we're on setting 1, okay? All right. Move up to setting 2, and you're gonna basically just rinse and repeat until the bolt lock's open, all right? So most of the time it's gonna happen between settings 5 and 9, okay? That way it gives you some wiggle room on the top end for using underpowered ammunition or going into a different environment, different elevation, you know, where it could affect the performance of direct impingement systems such as this. All right, so setting 2. Okay. All right, we did not have ejection. All right, we're going to move up to setting 3. It's very exciting, isn't it? Okay. All right, ooh, like barely pooped that brass out. Okay. All right, setting 4. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go to setting 5. Okay, still not locking to the rear. All right, setting 6. Literally just rinsing and repeating. All right, setting 7. Setting 8. All right, got hold open. all right? So typically for normal use, if this setting works reliably, you can just use it as is. For duty or like self-defense, home defense type use, you want to click it up one more notch just for reliability's sake. Common thing with any adjustable gas block. All right, so for duty use, we'd be on setting 9. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set this thing up and figure out where our suppressed setting is. All right, so I have a Griffin Armament Explorer and a chemo mount. All right. Now we're going to go back down to setting 1. And we're going to repeat the process with the suppressor, and we're going to find our suppress setting. All right, now this particular suppressor has a little bit lower back pressure than a normal traditional baffle can. These feature the new like Echo Flow baffle technology from Griffin. So it does allow more of that gas to flow forward than just blowing right back in the system. But the beauty of an adjustable gas block is to be able to tune that gas down for your traditionally baffled suppressors. If you're not using something like a modern flow-through Huxworks or some other can like that. All right. So setting 1 with the suppressor. Oh, I love suppressors so much. So soft shooting. Okay. They really do take a lot of that recoil out of the system. All right, let's move up to setting 2. Notice the pattern here? All right. Okay. So get an injection, but just no lock back, all right? We're gonna go to setting 3. All right, so got bolt hole open. All right, common practice, go up one more notch. We're gonna be at setting 4, all right, for suppressor use. So setting 9 for unsuppressed use with this particular rig, setting 4 for suppressed use, okay? And that's with full power ammunition. Now, if you're using heavier ammo like a 77 grain, you'll probably be at a lower unsuppressed setting because that heavy bullet does generate a little bit more pressure in the system, you know, to get that bolt and everything moving properly, is what I've noticed in my testing. Lighter weight bullets will need a little bit more gas on the control to function properly, but really it's kind of up in the air. It really depends on the ammunition, the powder that's used, the environment that you're shooting in, the whole 9 yards. All right, so we're on setting 4. All right, one more round in my pocket. Wow, all right, very soft shooting. All right, and that's how to adjust the rifle speed gas control on the A115 R Series rifle from Argos, okay? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see some more details on this particular rig, just go over to the website and check it out. We'll be putting out some videos on the 14.5. We have a 13.9 as well, and got a new series called the Baseline that's a little bit more budget friendly that we'll have some videos coming out on as well. And make sure you sign up for our email list. The link will be in the description box below, just to stay abreast of anything going on with the new company and new products and things like that that are coming out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Really appreciate it. Y'all take care.